The World Health Organization has recommended widespread use of the world's first malaria vaccine, Mosquirix, among children in sub-Saharan Africa and other regions. The decision came after pilots held in 3 countries since 2019 found that it reduced cases by 40%. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus described the vaccine as a breakthrough for science as malaria kills over 4 lakh people in a year. Supreme Court of India has asked the Uttar Pradesh government to file a status report explaining who are the accused in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case and whether they have been arrested by tomorrow. 9 people, including 4 farmers and a journalist, were killed on Sunday. The farmers alleged that Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son ran over the farmers in his SUV. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 35 pressure swing adsorption PSA oxygen plants established under the PM CARES Fund across 35 states and union territories in an event held at AIIMS Rishikesh. With this, all districts of the country will now have commissioned PSA oxygen plants, according to the Prime Minister's office. At least 20 people have been killed and more than 200 have been injured in an earthquake that struck southern Pakistan early today. Disaster Management Authority Director General Nasir Nasir said the earthquake had a magnitude of 5.7 on the Richter scale, according to the US Geological Survey. The quake's epicenter was 102 kilometers east of Quetta. Russia today reported 27,550 new COVID-19 cases, the highest single-day rise in the country this year. The daily COVID-19 deaths in Russia surpassed 900 for a second straight day with 924 fatalities. The country had reported a record 929 coronavirus-related deaths on Wednesday. Russia is the world's 5th worst coronavirus-hit country. The Nobel Peace Prize in Literature 2021 has been awarded to Tanzanian novelist Abdul Razak Gurna for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of the effects of colonialism and the fate of the refugee in the gulf between cultures and continents. Gurna, whose novels include Paradise and Desertion, lives in Britain. The Nobel Prize is worth 10 million Swedish crowns or $1.14 million. Tom Cruise, known for performing his own stunts, is learning to fly a World War II fighter jet for Mission Impossible 8. The plane will be filmed in a chase with another wartime plane. The 59-year-old has reportedly been training on a Boeing Stearman Model 75 from 1943 and was spotted at the Duxford Airfield in Cambridgeshire in the United Kingdom.